Hello everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto. So this is the home edition and just another quick update for you guys. Something pretty cool on the other side of this wall. Stay tuned. Alright, so what's on the other side of the wall? Well, obviously the living room and the two bedrooms, but the floors. The floors, I've got my first coat of Varathane on there right now. I'm not going to do a how-to video and tell you how to redo floors because I did them all wrong, but they turn out really good for the amount of time that I put into them. I could have, and I should have probably done like the 5-tool process where you get the drum sander, you get the orbital sander, the edger, all the different stuff. I basically did one pass or one good sand with the Home Depot orbital sander, and then I roughed everything up with 120 and started laying poly on it. But it looks really nice. You might be able to see into the bedroom there. I can't quite walk on it yet because the first coat isn't dry. But it's coming along. So I'm going to put one more coat on tonight and then lay another coat on early in the morning, and then I'll be out of the house all day letting everything kind of dry. So there you go. The floors are done. I may choose to refinish them the right way like 4 or 5 years from now, but like right now I'm kind of crunched on time, and I've got a rallycross this weekend, so tomorrow is all about getting that second coat on, or sorry, getting the third coat on, and then getting the Nissan prepped for the race on Saturday. So it's going to be a busy weekend. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the short video, just seeing the progress here, and I will be filming at the race this weekend, so rallycross video coming up next week. So until then, get out there and work on something.